And today we're making jalapeno shot glasses. They're very spicy. All right. Today, ladies, we are making...
Hold on.
You gonna bite that or something?
Oh God, no, she will.
No,
Ready?
not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Make the shot glass. We need a cut right here. Go.
Okay, so hold on. Watch what I do, okay?
Okay.
Actually, I can tell you what to do, okay? Just so you do the first one. So you cut off the top,
Okay.
right?
You did great.
Okay. Now you can go in, scoop out the middle. Can you cook?
Yeah.
No, I remember that day.
I cooked for you.
Yeah, I remember. Your turn, Mark.
What am I doing?
So you cutting off just the tip of that to get this to stand up, right? But this working as a glass, so don't go all the way up. So you're just taking off the little
Why are
tip.
you giving me the hard part?
Because,
He knows
okay?
I can't do it.
I don't
He's
trust
worked
that.
with me before.
Hold on. Might
Not
be
so
too hard.
deep!
Okay, yeah, try it there. Okay, perfect. Okay, how's the weed business going?
So great.
Honestly,
These two are,
We're on edibles right now.
it's not an incorrect statement.
how often do y'all smoke? Every day?
Every single day.
How many times a day?
I mean, it depends. It's like, what do we have going on that day, you know?
Yeah, like today, we're here with you. We're not really filming a smoking video, so we didn't really like push it that hard. We
No.
only had like 2 smoke sessions.
Okay, but I mean, can you function business-wise? Like, if you're smoking every day that much, are you still able to function normally?
Oh, heck yeah.
You ever try to smoke weed with jalapeno? Like
I've smoked weed out of a jalapeno before.
And
I just posted a
what was
video
it like?
yesterday, broccoli and
It was
broccoli.
disgusting. It was a spicy hit.
Do we have any flour? Let's
Did it
try
burn your nose?
No, I didn't inhale it through my nose. It was
Why
like
would it be in your nose?
And it tasted like a
Why
jalapeno.
would it be in your nose? So you don't blow weed out of your nose?
No.
No?
No.
I'm the only one who does. Well,
A lot of people do that, but here's the thing: like, it makes you, like, when you smoke a lot of weed, it
Did
makes
Sky
your
just
nose.
say that he smokes weed?
It makes your nose get like resin in it.
So all y'all do is pull it in the back of the throat and then spit out?
Well, it goes in your lungs, not just in the back of your throat.
Yeah, like if you're
Like you're just
swimming and
breathing.
you're about to take a breath before
Yeah.
you go underwater.
We're
So you
gonna
mean
teach
this whole
you
time I've
smoking
been-
101.
This whole time I've been doing it wrong?
Yes.
Yes.
No. No, it's
No,
however
it's not
you want to
that-
do it is the right way.
But
There is no wrong way.
but that is probably why you have.
Okay, first try, guy.
So, Mark, your
Yes.
turn now. So what you can do is you can
Rim
rim.
'em.
You can rim. You can put just run some lime around the rim.
Why am I the rim job person?
Because that's what you do best.
What assumptions are you making about me, sir? I don't like it,
Okay.
but I'll allow
Good
it.
assumptions.
Okay.
This is how you rim it.
Hey, you're not putting weed in the goddamn pipe, okay? So you can relax, okay? Because you look like you're scared to spill stuff.
Well, weed is
Oh, I
expensive.
can just squirt all over the place?
Now
Yes,
stick it,
you
stick
may.
it upside down in that. So flip
Salt it.
Flip it. Okay. Now
It's
hold
like
it,
a little
hold it up for
margarita.
Stephanie to see.
I did that.
You see?
I made art.
Yeah. Mark, hit them with some tequila.
Wait, which one is this? Tequila?
Yes, the one that says tequila. And stop. All right. Now let's hit it with a bit of triple sec.
Oh my god.
And stop. Wait, what you nervous about?
I felt like when she was putting it down, she was gonna knock me out with a bottle.
I know. I don't pour drinks. This is very nerve-wracking for me.
I was gonna use sweet and sour, right? But just because.
Mango juice.
Yeah, that's like a little mango.
You
there.
contaminated the sweet and sour
Mango.
juice already, so that's why.
Look at that.
Ooh. Can I have some of this?
There you go.
Okay, that's touching your mouth already. You're touching that whole birdie concept.
Over here it did.
No, I
That's
watched
fine.
it rub
The
all
Ukrainian flu,
over.
boys. Now we're going to shake this and we're going to keep it sexy.
I think he's hot.
No, I'm not. Am I in the kind?
Keep it sexy. I would
Keep
like
it
to
sexy.
see.
Let's see you're sexy.
Let's see. Ooh.
Can I borrow you, man?
Oh.
This is the sexiest thing I've ever seen.
Look at this episode so. Shake. Hold on.
Give a little.
Is it spilling everywhere? Okay, good. Okay. All right.
Squirting.
Ow!
Not only do they smoke weed, they're very dirty with their talk, okay?
I'm sorry.
So hold it.
Stop.
Oh.
Okay, next one.
Oh, there's little peps. What are those called? Seeds?
A pepper peps.
Okay.
A pepper peps.
Hold it over. Okay,
Oh.
beautiful. And there you have it! Jalapenos in a shot glass.
Jalapenos in a shot glass?
Oh, sorry. Shot glass jalapeno, something like that. Okay, we take a jalapeno, make it a goddamn shot glass. You need specifics, okay? I need to get the name right. You can see what's going on,
You
right?
can't give him an attitude for you being dyslexic.
Hey, take your drinks.
Oh, you're not doing this one?
Oh,
Auntie?
I have a meeting downstairs.
She's afraid of the spice.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers. What was that noise? Dude, that's nice and spicy.
It's honestly not even bad.
No.
And I hate alcohol.
No, you don't.
The taste of it.
That was the first lie she told you today.
And then
No, just the
afterwards,
taste of it.
if you got balls, you can bite into it.
Bite
okay?
it. Eat it.
Okay, see, like mine?
Jalapeno, eat off. Go.
Hell no, boy.
Do it.
Yeah.
Do it. Oh. You didn't even finish your shots.
Instagram just shut down your weed channel, right? Weed page.
I brought it back.
Oh, they give it back?
Yeah.
Because they took Nikki, the porn star, they took Nikki's page as well.
They're taking everybody down. They're cracking down on a lot of things.
But they give
now.
it back to us.
You have to send appeals.
Okay.
Say that it was a mistake. It's very possible it's haters. People have figured out that there's a way to, well, not anymore. But there was a way.
Just keep flagging pages.
Keep flagging pages.
Okay.
And that worked for a little while, but.
Okay. So now your Instagram is.
It's Koala Puffs, koala.puffs with 2 S's.
Cool.
Help me get to 300,000. She's almost at 300,000
And Mac,
too.
you're what?
Mac Dizzle 420.
Mac-
You can find me on YouTube,
Mac Dizzle.
Instagram.
Mac Dizzle.
Anyway, look here. So listen, go follow these girls, okay? They're awesome. They're fun. They're relatively beautiful. I'm kidding. They're very beautiful. I just said that because I know she's gonna roll eyes at me. What was that?
Bite you.
Okay, show them your nose one more
One more
time.
time.
Okay? You're not freaked out yet? Look up there, homeboy. You can see your future.